Hello Sagittarius. So this is your weekly career business money reading from 21st to 27th December. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, Sagittarius, so keep whatever resonates. Now in this reading you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start, Sagittarius. 3 shuffles. Sagittarius, career business money. General energies from 21st to 27th. Sagittarius, career business money reading from 21st to 27th December. So I'll take that card. Sagittarius, general energy from 21st to 27th December, career business money. So this is a death. So this is a card of transformation, Sagittarius. Something is transforming. You are transforming, or it's a card of transformation here. Moving to a new cycle. That's what I see. The Judgment. So there is I'll just pull out the card. King of Pentacles. Okay, 6 of Cups. Ace of Swords. 5 of Swords. So what I see, Sagittarius, is that, there is a judgment. You will be making a judgment, you will be making a decision, or you will be forced to make a decision here with this Judgment card. Some of you might, it is for some, and for some others it is like there could be an inner calling. The true purpose, you might be wondering what is the true purpose of your life. So a kind of inner calling with the Judgment card. Also this card is like you will be either forgiving someone, and it's a card of second chances too, Judgment card. So forgiving and moving on. So if it could be in your relationship, it could be with an associate, it could be with a partner. So in your past, if there had been some issues, so you might forgive the person and you both could come together. So personal relationships also that way. In personal professional relationship. Then you have this King of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles, Sagittarius, you will work hard. You will be in that work. Although you are in a celebratory mode, but you are equally, giving importance to work here. Definitely some of you have fallen for someone here that I can see with this Heart card, and your work could take a backseat, but definitely with the King of Pentacles, I see that's for some of you here. But some of you are very dedicated in your work. You want a very strong financial foundation for your future, and you are working towards it. So you grab every opportunity that comes your way in this week, and you will see that you will make some gains here. So King of Pentacles, hard working, very analytical, logical. You will be making investments in tried and tested methods, like the conventional ways. You will try to make money, and you will keep your papers and documents in order, and look around, for new opportunities which can bring you good returns here, which will bring you success, which will bring you monetary gains, that you will be doing here. Some of you, Sagittarius, might take a break from work, could be in a holiday mood, you could be meeting friends, family, or somebody, while you are traveling, you could be meeting somebody whom you fall for, or they fall for you. So it could be also where you are traveling, if you are traveling, related to work. So you will be very much influenced by this person. So it will depend on your personal, horoscope, how this influence is like. For some it may be a love, for some it may be into business, for some but definitely meeting somebody somebody who is going to play a big role in your life in your coming days or coming years, like meeting somebody. It could be a partner, it could be a love relationship, or it could be any associate, partner, somebody who will be who will be part of your life, or who will play an influential role in your life here. Ace of Swords. So this is a card of happiness, prosperity, abundance. So happy times here, Sagittarius. Anyway, it's your birthday season. I hope you're enjoying, that's why that is a card of holidaying, enjoyment, going out with friends and family. But I do see here a lot of happiness, lot of going around with friends. But also some of you could be dealing with visa, visa, travel documents, legal issues, visiting an attorney, visiting a lawyer. This comes with this Ace of Swords cards here. Sudden money, sudden gains for some of you here also is what I see, Saji. Now with this Five of Swords, Saji, you need to just, if this is not for all of you here, if there could be, because things are going around good for you here. So there could be some ego clashes, ego drives here, which you need to curb, if at all. That's what I said, it's not for everybody here. Curb your ego issues, curb your, because you don't have to make enemies. Making enemies won't do any good in your career, in your business, in your money situation, or in your personal life too. So you don't have to make enemies, because you have to rethink before you talk, because I see quite good things happening for you this week. Could make a little a pride or an ego kind of sense, if at all there. Just curb that thing, because you could make enemies which in the long run wouldn't be good for you here. So deal with, if there are difficult situations, deal with diplomacy, calm, ease, and you will see things resolving by itself. Yeah. With the King of Pentacles, money could come from any sources, Saji. From rental, from buying, selling of immovable property, from investments in stock market, to shares, bonds, money could come. Also, you have Ace of Swords, some settlement could come, like if there was a settlement, which was due for some time. So, yes, it is a card of abundance, it's a card of prosperity. So, some settlements could come, some sudden money could come in here for some of you here. So, this is your week, and let me pull out an angel guidance card and see what the angel message is for you here. Sorry. Angel messages for Sagittarius. Angel messages for Sagittarius here. Okay, so face your fears. So face your fears. This is release the power of fear. So yeah, so release the power of fear. So I don't know, there could be some reason why this card has come out. So if you have any fears, release it, and you will see success, happiness, and abundance. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.